Okay, I'm going to show you how to install the new Unger on-off switch, how easy it is. It actually perfectly fits the Unger pole, very easy, snaps right on, no problem. Then you just feed, the lever goes forward, feed the hose through, and attach to the brush. On and off. Now, if you run your tube inside the pole, then, and you don't have an Unger pole, it will fit any pole. These little clips slide out. Mechanism just slide right off, and it comes with the Velcro. And you can slip it in. And if you use inner tubing, same way, you slide it through and then loop it like this. And you would use it looped like this, on and off. There you have it, the Unger on-off switch. Those will be in our store by April, $35.